All right, kindergarten, welcome back to another day of math. Remember, the first thing we should always do, put our name on our paper. All right, so today we're going to need some cubes. We're going to be using cubes, 10 frames, and our hands. So what I want you to get is 10 cubes out. 10 cubes. So we should have one cube train with 10 cubes on it. All right, now all we're going to be doing is filling in the missing number. Now, I wish these were a little bigger. I'm going to be making these cube trains, and you need to find the missing number. So, I have blue. How many blues do I have here right away? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, I'm going to do this kind of quick. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, we need to find the missing cubes, or we need to keep adding onto our cube train to get to what number? Got to find this and this. That's the number 10. So we're at 7, we got to get to 10. We're at 6, we need to get to 10. So in our blue ones, we are at 7. Then I'm going to color one in. 8, 9, 10. How many did I add to get to 10? 1, 2, 3. 7 plus 3 equals 10. All right, now down here we have 6, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I need to figure out how many more cubes it's going to get to get to 10 from 6. So I have 6, and I have 7, 8, 9, and 10. How many did I color in to get to 6? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 6 plus 4 equals 10. All right, I went through that kind of quick, but I'll explain more on this page. So all we're going to do today is we're going to fill in the missing number. So we have Jada here, and she has 3 red cubes right away. See that? And she needs to get to 10. So she needs to figure out how many invisible cubes are here to equal 10. So she starts counting. So she has her 3. Then she has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So do we have all of them together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So she had 3 right away, right? That's where our 3 is. She had 7 missing, or she had to add 7 to it to equal 10. All right, so here we have 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's where this 5 comes from. We have 5 red cubes. We need to figure out how many blue cubes we get to get to 10. So if I draw 1 is 6, draw another 8, draw another 9, and draw one more is 10. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Now down here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, that's where this is at, or this is where we get that number from. We have 9. How many more cubes do we need to get to 10? So if I have 9 cubes in front of me, and I'm just going to keep adding cubes until I get to 10. So I have 9. I'm going to add one more, and now I'm at 10. So the missing number is 1. 9 plus 1 equals 10. And guess what? You are going to be doing page 485 and page 486 by yourself. You need to figure out what the missing number is by drawing counters or using your cubes or even using your fingers like on the last one. So we're going to jump ahead to the third and final page. And we have 10 frames. Remember, write my name. And now we see how we have the 10 frame now? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's where that number comes from. Then I'm going to draw 2 to fill up my 10 frame to get to 10. How many did I add? 1, 2. That's where this number comes from. So now I have the number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I need to fill up this 10 frame, right? In order for it to equal 10, I need to fill up all the squares or all the boxes. So I'm going to color in with my blue crayon. You can use crayons, you can use your pencil to draw them in, or you can use counters if you would like. So how many did I take to fill in the entire 10 frame? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 plus 6 equals 10. Now I have 1. That's where that 1 comes from. Remember, I have to fill in all of them to get 10. So let's just fill them in. How many did I add? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 plus 9 equals 10. Awesome. Now on the back side. Ooh, now they left them blank, so I have to do it all by myself. You can use your counters. So what number do we have here? 5. So I'm going to put in 5 right away. And Mr. Grunjos knows when I have 5, each one of these rows is 5. Just like a 5 frame, right? So that's where I got my 5. Now I need to figure out how many I'm missing to get this number. So let's fill in the boxes. Now I know that one row is 5. So I don't even need to count. And I'm just going to write the number 5. Ooh, that's a really bad 5. My computer's off a little bit today, kindergarten, and I can't. It's kind of making my numbers hard to read, so I apologize for my bad writing today. The next one I have 7. So I'm going to fill in 7 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I need to figure out what's missing, so I'm going to add them in quick. And my missing number is 1, 2, 3. Now on number 5, it says Nicholas has yellow and red counters to use to show pairs of 10. Write the missing number in the 2 equations to show 2 different ways to tell the parts of 10 that Nicholas showed. So I'm going to color code them to make it easier because there's 2 ways we can show this. So our yellows will be in that box, and our reds in that sky dashes and grass, and then our reds are going to go on the bottom there. So as you can tell, look how they're crisscrossed now. The reds switched, they're opposite, and the yellows are opposite. So how many yellows do I have right away? I know now, kindergarten, that all of these together are 10, right? Every box is filled, they're all yellow. So I don't even need to count. I just know that's 10. All right. How many reds do I have? 0. Same thing now. Now I'm going to do my reds first. How many reds? Same thing. 0. How many yellows? All of them there. 10. So it's two different ways to show an equation. You can do the yellow plus the red, and then you can go red plus yellow. And they both equal 10. All right. Now make sure we're going to be doing these pages by yourself now. So you got to find the missing cubes on numbers 3 and 4. All right, find the missing cubes. They give you 7. They give you 2. You need to figure out how many it takes to get from that number to 10. Now here we have fingers, right? So they're holding up 6 fingers for the number 6. Oof, computer's really obstinate. I'm sorry, kindergarten. So you have 6 fingers. And then you need to keep counting your fingers as you put them up. That gets to 10. And your little hint is 10 is all 10 of your fingers up on your hands. Every one of your fingers on your hands, okay? So how many more fingers are you going to put up to get to 10? And then on your back side of your last page, you need to make your own counters or cube train now. You can even draw a 10 frame, whatever you would like to do, whatever easiest for you. So I have 4. How many jumps is it going to take to get to 4? From 4 to 10. How many jumps is it going to take to get from 8 to 10? From 1 to 10. All right. And then number 10, how many fingers are they holding up? 3. So your 3 goes right there. And you need to keep counting your fingers as you put them up to get to 10. All right. I hope everybody has a great day. I hope this isn't too confusing. All right. I hope everyone has a great day, and we will see you later. Bye.